Hello and welcome aspiring Claretines. Greetings from St. Claret College Autonomous, Bengaluru. Thank you for your interest in St. Claret College Autonomous, Bengaluru. For your higher education, SCC is one of the highest ranked colleges in Bengaluru. I'm happy to guide you through the college admission procedure in this short video. Let's dive right in.
Let us look at our admission procedure first. First thing to do, please visit our website claretcollege.edu.in and click Apply Now on the right side of our homepage. You will reach the registration page. Click on Register, enter your name, course type, gender, year of application, email ID, and phone number to register and create your account. Once you have registered, you will receive the username, a 6-digit password, and URL address via the registered email ID. Enter the credentials to log in to the online application portal. The site will redirect you to the respective sections of the application.
The application form has 4 components: educational details, personal details, certificates, and payment of application.
In the first section, the candidates should enter the personal details. Please note that the fields marked with asterisk are mandatory. If the permanent address is the same as the communication address, hit the Click Here if same as permanent address button, and automatically the values will be entered in the respective fields.
Then click on the Proceed button and the user will be taken to the next section. Note that without hitting the Proceed button, the next section can't be filled by the applicant. Then fill out the educational details in the second section.
The candidates should fill out the marks in the table as per the qualifying exams by clicking on Board and Stream. Then click on Proceed to navigate to the third section. Here the candidates should upload their valid certificates in the format enlisted, JPEG or PDF less than 1 MB. Then again click Proceed for application payment.
Click on the Make Payment button and you will be redirected to the payment gateway. The candidates can choose the preferred payment method to complete the application payment. After application payment, click on the Final Submit to complete the application. Once the payment is successful, you will get application number, example 25UG XX for your future reference.
Candidates can view their application status on My Application tab. You can download the application form from here for future reference. You will also find the provision to review and edit the application forms here. And you have successfully completed the online application to St. Claret College Autonomous. Our admission department will get in touch with you regarding test, interviews, and rest of the procedures.
Now, let us take a look at the offline application process. The prospectus is available at the college office, and detailed instructions on how to apply can be accessed at the admin office counters. Candidates are required to submit 1 photocopy of all relevant certificates at the office counter. Reservation category candidates must also submit photocopy of the caste or category certificate. Please note, original certificates should not be attached.
The applicants will be informed about the schedule of entrance test and interviews. Kindly be present on time. After the test and interviews, the selected candidates will be given a time frame to make payments and take admission. The applicants should be present for admission along with parents or guardians.
Thank you for joining us today. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and visit the St. Claret College's admission desk at +916 36 1718 834. Best of luck, and we hope to see you soon at Claret campus.